This is the DJI NEO, DJI's latest drone in their range, and a piece of kit that has a bit of an identity crisis. You see, it's kind of capable of being a selfie drone without any controller whatsoever, designed to compete with the Hover X1. You can also use this using a app control and the DJI Fly app, and you can also use it if you purchase the combo kit with the DJI RCN3 controller. You can also use the latest version of the DJI goggles and motion controller to work this piece of kit. So I'm not entirely sure what this is marketed to be. Is it a beginner drone? Is it an advanced drone which you sort of buy for, a slide in your pocket, take it on holiday with you? Is it an accessory to existing kit? That is something I'm yet to figure out, and I will be doing a full review on this piece of kit in the coming days once I've had enough time to play about with it. However, there is a bit of an issue that I have discovered, which many of the sort of YouTubers that got this for launch might have already said, but I've not seen it mentioned so far, so I wanted to bring you this video, because there is actually something that DJI don't actually tell you when it comes to buying this kit. Now, here in the UK, the unit cost for this drone and one battery is £170. Now, that for me is an absolutely incredible price, given the fact it can be used completely without a controller. However, there is one little issue, because some of the best features such as spotlight, point of interest, full active track, and of course GPS capabilities are really only there when you are using a controller. Now, if you are looking to buy the DJI NEO, there are two buying options. You have got the drone only, which I've already mentioned, which is £170 with one battery, or you have the option of the combo, which comes with 3 batteries in total, and it also comes with the DJI RCN3 controller. Now, what DJI don't actually tell you that I'm about to reveal, which basically explains the title, watch this video before you buy one, because you might be well tempted to buy this as the combo, meaning it gives you a controller and 3 batteries. However, if you already have a DJI Mini 4 Pro or the DJI Air 3, which comes with the DJI RC2 or RCN2, what DJI don't tell you at point of sale is the fact that this piece of kit right here will work with either of those 2 controllers. So if you are looking to buy this, okay, it might well be that you do not need to spend the additional money on the combo, given the fact that it is £130 more than the standalone price, and really, given the fact that I'm quite disappointed in the fact that it doesn't come with any sort of case, the way that I see it is you are paying all that money for 2 additional batteries and some extra props. The interesting thing here is the fact that if you want to buy 2 additional batteries from DJI, they are £35 a piece, so £70. So you are saving quite some sum of money if you already have the Mini 4 Pro or the Air 3 and want to buy this as an ideal travel companion accessory to go along with the kit you already have. Now, this is where I get a little bit confused as to where this sits in the market, and I've got a few days before my full review video to figure it out, because it sort of does a bit of everything, like I've already mentioned. Is this really marketed at those beginners? Not really, because even though it does a hell of a lot, beginners, this is not going to have the same sort of camera quality as what something like a Mini 3 or Mini 4 Pro is going to have. Obviously, it's only got level 4 wind resistance, so it's not going to be quite as good for actual wind resistance. Okay, so that might make you, if you are a beginner, tempted to go for something that's a little bit bigger. But like I've already mentioned, and this is where I'm sort of swaying with this, if you have the RC2 or the RCN2, and this is £170 here in the UK, obviously convert that to your local currency, that makes this a hell of a bargain for something that's quite cool. You can slide it in your pocket, you can slide it in your bag, it's fully protected, and it might be an absolutely ideal travel companion to take on holiday to get some fantastic snaps and video footage. So of course my full review on this NEO will be coming shortly, so please do make sure, if you are interested in hearing what I have to say, I've purchased this drone fully by myself. It's not sponsored, not paid for, and I'm not obliged to say everything that's good about it, but I just wanted to make you aware it is quite a cool piece of kit, I have to say, and especially at that price point, it's certainly worth considering. I wouldn't have normally considered it at a price point much higher than that, but really at £170, this is quite the game changer. So if you are interested in my full review, please do hit that subscribe button and the bell notification to be notified when I post that video. Give this a big thumbs up if you found it useful, and until next time, see you again soon.